So let's start by fixing the first issue I reported against OpenCFP. And the issue is that the command line options for specifying the environment and the email when creating a user through the CLI, they clash because the -C is both currently both for the environment and for the email. I only have currently the origin set up to the actual OpenCFP repository, so I have to rename it to be the upstream, and I have my fork of the repository. It's even with the OpenCFP master branch. So I have to add it as the origin. Just to verify, yep, sounds about it's good. So this is the issue number 471. Check out this fix issue dash 471. Should really move this somewhere. Should not be in the way. Grim. So this is really not a complicated issue. So what happens is bin OpenCFP user create. Oh, config development. It probably wanted to use the should be the same. Oh, come on. This is ridiculous. Help, nope. Help, nope. Why? Shouldn't spit out this. I didn't have MySQL running. That would explain. User create. Login is required for a user non-given. So we want -f test user -e user at test.com -p password. So let's have him as a regular user, not as admin, and invalid environment specified. And we can see here in the stack trace that it wants to create an environment from using the email we just provided. But this says that the email can be provided with -e or --email. And if we go look at help for the OpenCFP, we see that the environment can be provided as --env. And if we actually look at the OpenCFP script, here we see that it can actually accept the environment parameter option as either --env or -e. So my proposed fix for this is to remove -e as a possible option for providing the environment, because first of all, it's not mentioned here in the environment, in the help for the how to specify an environment. So that could technically be I don't think it would be a backwards breaking change. It would be backwards compatible, although someone could potentially rely on that in there, but the other solution would be to remove -e being as an option for email, and just have --email, which the README, I think, only says user management. Yeah, they use in the README, it's only the full option names. They don't mention anywhere the shorthand ones, but it does come in. Where is this console command? User create. So yeah, the shorthand ones are here, because we technically remove all the shorthand options from the user create command as well. I think the least surprising would be just to release. Smallest change would be to just remove the -e option for the environment here. So I'm going to do that. And if we now, that works. So we now can create a user with from the command line by using all the shorthand option names. So let's commit that. No, because we said I'm going to leave the last line as it is. I don't want to change it for it's nicer. So remove -e as environment. How to word this commit message, remove -e as environment option. As environment option. Okay, that should do. Given that the -e option for specifying the environment in which I'm trying to give a longer commit message to explain what's the reason behind my change. Why did I go with removing the -e for the environment instead of fixing changing the user create command. So given that the option for specifying technology, the command should run is not documented anywhere, I remove that. We remove it. This way it won't clash anymore with the user create command and specifying the email of the user -e. Fixes 417 471 47. Let's undo this. End of file line change. Git push. I'm pushing it to my repository as a new branch. And GitHub can figure it out that I have a new branch up on my repository, and that I probably want to open a request against the original OpenCFP repository. This is a template, I guess. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm just to delete it. There. And create pull request. And that's it. And now we wait for feedback from someone. I didn't run any tests, but I don't think the actual console command is tested. So yeah, that should be it.